Walang conflict. Ito ang nilinaw ni Science and Technology Secretary Renato Soldom Jr. kaugnay na naging payag ni Senate Majority Leader Joel Villanueva na overlapping functions ng ilang attached agency ng DOST sa iba pang ahensya ng pamahalaan, tulad ng Philippine Council for Health Research and Development at Health Policy Development and Planning Bureau ng DOH, Food Nutrition Research Institute at National Nutrition Council ng DOH, Philippine Council for Industry, Energy and Emerging Technology Development, at Energy Research and Testing Laboratory Services ng DOE. Paliwanag ni Solidum, ang DOST ay may particular na executive order, ang EO 128. Nakapaloob dito ang iba't ibang ahensya na nasa ilalim ng kagawaran.
They mentioned something about the councils like the Philippine Council for Health Research and Development, PSHIRD, and PICARD. These were established way before other agencies. Now, there's a big difference between the councils. The councils coordinate the plan for R&D for the different sectors of the countries. Bylaws agreed that it will be DOST that will coordinate.
Anya, ang council tulad ng Philippine Council for Health Research and Development o PCHRD ang nagtatakda kung anong research and development ang pagtutuunan. Mula dito, ito naman ay ipinatutupad sa tulong ng partners ng council tulad na lang ng mga universidad at iba pang organisasyon.
The institutes under DA, for example, are there to do R&D for their institute. And PICARD provides the funding and policy direction. So, walang conflict doon. And other universities can also do R&D. Now, yung councils don't do the R&D themselves.
Dagdag pa niya, may mga Research and Development Institute sa DOST na siya namang gumagawa ng partikular na mga research and development na nakapaloob sa kanilang mga mandato tulad ng Philippine Textile Research Institute sa industriya ng tela. Binigyan din ni Solidum na kung titingnan ng mabuti ay wala namang makikitang redundancy dahil specific ang mandato o trabaho ng mga ito. Nitong Biyernes nang aprobahan ng Senado ang budget ng DOST sa 2024 na nasa 26.7 billion pesos. Rod Lagusad, para sa Morning Show ng Bayan, Rise and Shine Pilipinas.